Hey Red Sea. On September 11th, we held our first club day of the year, a special event where students gather on the quad during lunch to explore and sign up for an exciting array of clubs. The energy was buzzing as tables lined the quad, showcasing everything from academic clubs to artistic, cultural, and community-based groups. Whether you're looking to dive deeper into a subject you love, give back to the community, or simply meet new people who share your interests, Club Day is a perfect opportunity to find where you belong. And let's not forget about the club presidents and members who worked hard to set up their booths and engage students with questions and candy. And here are some words from Jewish Student Union Presidents Dylan Felsen and Oscar Rubin.
Really proud of the community we've created, and it's just good to see the community coming out and participating, and
I think it went pretty well. I think we got a good amount of signups.
Our plan was to coordinate monthly meetings. We're working on getting a grant from the school so we can fund activities, and we're a very inclusive club, and we're looking forward to get speakers and to grow the group.
What was the most memorable time you had during Club Day?
Probably getting candy or signing up for the club.
Yes, that's cool. How do you think participating in Club Day would affect your skills for snowboarding?
It'd probably help because I get to practice more.
What advice would you give to new students next freshmen for joining a club?
Join clubs, they're pretty fun.
They're fun? Alright, cool. Thanks, Brody. What's your name?
Brett Holyfield.
What club do you run?
F1 Club.
That's awesome. Can you describe the main goals of your club?
Teach other people about F1.
Alright. What motivated you to take on a leadership role in the club?
I just wanted to, start a club where people can feel welcome and learn new things about a great sport.
How can you share any tips for people wanting to start a club?
Just do it. It's so easy. Might as well just do it.
Awesome. Was this year's Club Day, do you think, successful?
Very successful. I had a lot of signups. I think we had 55 signups.
Dang.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Thank you.